welcome back to another Mr. Fantastic video. Hope you're all having a fantastic day, and today I'm going to open the Black Widow's helicopter chase from Black Widow movie. This is set number 76162 and has Black Widow, 3 minifigures of Black Widow, Yelena Belova and Taskmaster, and comes with a helicopter. And this is for 7 years and older, and it is from the new Black Widow movie. And I haven't watched the Black Widow movie as it has been delayed in Australia, so I'm really looking forward to this set and to the movie as well. And without further discussion, let's build it. I'm gonna open the first bag. The first bag, and we've got the manual, the helicopter piece that comes out of the bag. This one also has a little bag, and we've got the second bag, and let's start building.
Yeah.
So we're going to review the minifigures and the helicopter now. We're going to start with Taskmaster. I love this robotic hand. I think it's really cool with you can take it off, and the piece is also really cool if you take the sword and shield off. Oops. And it's really cool to have the black hood as well, and the new kind of robotic head. That's a really cool piece, and there's a lot of detail in that robotic kind of body. I think it's really cool, and also the blue legs. I think Taskmaster is probably one of my favorite because of the detail and the pieces that you get. And I haven't watched a movie, so I don't actually know what it looks like. Now, Black Widow, it's cool to have the lightsaber hilts. No, the lightsaber powers. And of course, she's got to have the curly auburn hair with two-face expression, the kind of fighting face, and the calm face. Doesn't matter. And it's nice to have the new torso. It's really cool with the printing belt, and there's also a couple of printing on the legs, which is cool to have instead of just blank black legs. And then we've got Yelena Belova with a blonde ponytail. Looks really visible, and the fighting face and the calm face. I really like the Black Widow, and it's got the detail on the kind of the army green torso with the white arms and the grey hands, and of course she's got the grey guns for accessories, and the legs also have a couple of printing instead of plain white. Cool with stickers with the Black Widow symbol. It's really cool. Of course, I'm gonna put Yelena below over there. And we've also got the Taskmaster's, I don't know, mobile. I don't know what it is. Kinda. But yeah, it's kind of like a fat motorbike. And we've also got the box here with the crystals and these plates. And now let's move on to the helicopter. So let's start with the front. We've got of course, the helicopter blades which can spin, and also the caution signs, which is the box and the pressure, air pressure that kind of blows it out. And we've also got this, I don't know, thing, and a light, and you can also get this off, which is a really cool feature, and you can put Taskmaster in. But this is kind of not gonna fit, so just gonna leave it autopiloted. And then we've got the guns here, which can shoot them, and we've also got the guns on the side as well, on the other side as well. And stickers give it some good detail as well. And at the bottom we've got the wheels, and also the thing that really is a really cool feature is you can lift this plate and put in, you know, the box and put Taskmaster in, and you can just put it back on, which is, I think, a really good feature. Really cool. And also we've got the back, which releases the mobile. I think that's also a pretty cool feature. And yeah, it's really cool. I love the fact that it's black, kind of stands out, and also we've got the 03 on each side, and the fact that it's kind of the different version of the side, it makes it got a better kind of feel to it, and it kind of represents Taskmaster a lot. So, and I think overall it's a really good set, and it's really cool, and it's easy to build. So I would definitely recommend this set, and I think I'm gonna watch the movie now. This is really kind of inspired me to watch the movie, and this was my 10th birthday present, which was 2 days ago, and it was from my grandma. So yeah, really cool. And yeah, but subscribe to see more Lego set reviews and time-lapse builds. And yeah, hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm Mr. Fantastic, and that's it.